Hey guys, we've all been to the grocery store lately and we all notice all this inflation going on to us, the consumers. So what I would like to talk about is I was talking to a family member and she was talking about mason jars. So I decided to do a little video and do a test on this. So here you can see day one. I purchased some blueberries. They're fresh blueberries. And I washed them thoroughly. And apparently the secret to this is for you to dry them after they have been washed. So you just dry them. I put some paper towels together and dried them thoroughly. And then I added them to this mason jar. And when you're done, you go ahead and just put them in the refrigerator. And apparently this is going to last you for a while. So I figured, let's try this out. So here we have day 4, and my blueberries still look absolutely amazing. They are fresh. They are not mushy at all. They are not shriveling whatsoever. These blueberries on day 4 are wonderful. Usually if they would have been in the original containers, they would start to shrivel up. A lot of them would be going bad at this point. So let's move on and see what happens day 6. Well, we've made it to day 6. There's not many blueberries left, but the blueberries that I do have left are just as fresh as day 1. I kid you not. Putting blueberries, or you can do it with strawberries too. I heard you can do it with any kind of fruits, any vegetables, as long as you wash them and you dry them up thoroughly. These are absolutely fresh. They are not at all mushy or squishy, and they're just as good as day 1. So putting your vegetables and your fruits in a mason jar definitely gives it a longer life. And with the prices of everything going up right now, this is a really great solution for families who are living on a budget.